Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night, you guys. I am coming to you today, only me, no Tyler and no babe. Disclaimer, if you guys hear me talking up in my nose, that's because I've been having a really bad sore throat for the past 2 or so days, but of course I'm taking my lemon shots and that is helping, but it's still there, it's not gone just yet. But I am coming to you today with my 18 weeks pregnancy update. Drum roll. Yeah, your girl is, I've just passed 18 weeks into 19 weeks, but I'm giving you the update from 16 weeks to 18 weeks, what has been going on since then. So we're really basically focusing on 18 weeks and what's been going on between the 16 to 18 weeks window. As you can see, baby girl is here chilling as usual. I'm coming to you clear face, no makeup as usual. I just don't feel to put makeup on these days. I just don't want it. I have nothing to do with it. I might put on makeup once per week if I feel like it, but that's it. But these days, nothing, honey, nothing. Anyway, you guys, let's just jump straight into my 18 weeks update and tell you guys what has been going on with baby girl and how is she doing and what's been going on with me. So I have some information on my phone, and of course I have my notes here, which I'm gonna just read and tell you guys where I'm at. So 18 weeks, baby girl is about 5.5 inches long and weigh almost 7 ounces, about the size of a bell pepper. So my little bell pepper is here chilling. She's busy flexing her arms and legs, and let me tell you something. Since my last update, my 16 weeks, which I told you guys that I didn't feel hers yet, since then she has been doing boom flicks, as Jamaicans would say. She has been flicking. This girl loves food. After food, I feel her the most. She's just up and running and she's non-stop moving. I love it. And babe can now feel her. I haven't let Tyler feel her yet because he won't understand, because at this stage is not punching that you're feeling, is little craws, you know. So babe can identify that, but Tyler won't be able to. So babe has been loving every minute when he's home. I feeling her just moving around and stuff like that. So yeah, it also said that her blood vessels are visible through her thin skin and her ears are now in final position. It also said that her uterus and fallopian tube are formed and is in place. So that is awesome. Baby girl is doing well and she's growing and she's kicking up a storm. She's non-stop kicking and she loves food. Okay, so let me jump into symptoms that I have been having. Some symptoms that I've been having up to my 18 weeks and now is the back pain has become real. When I say the back pain is on, but I use my my self massage machine. I just put it at my back and go back, lay on it like this, or just rest my body on it, and it massage me to the T. I think I should show you guys what my massage machine look like. So I'm gonna just run to get it and show you guys what my massage machine look like. Some people might say, but you have a husband, then you don't want a massage machine. 90% of the time my husband is at work, and sometimes you just want to feel the machine instead of just a hand. So this machine is my massage machine, which I just plug it in, press this button here, and it have this tape at the back, which you can attach it to a chair or a pillow, and you just put it at your back in whatever position you want. And this bad boy is magic. This is my best friend right now. Any back pain that I have, I use my massage machine and it's just gone completely. I think every pregnant mama should have one of these, and it's not expensive at all. How much actually I bought this for my husband last year Valentine's Day, I think, and it's been helping both of us. But now that I'm pregnant, hey, it's my best friend. It's been doing super good. So it's like it have two little things in here that rotates, and the light comes on and it gets the job done. I think every pregnant mama should have one of those. It really does help. As I'm editing this, I realized that I left out a very important symptom that I've been feeling lately that I should have mentioned, is that I have been feeling so much breast pain to the point where it bring me to tears. A few days ago I just cried. It was so intense, and it was just by the touch of a spot. It wasn't like the entire breast, it was actually the left one. I cried and I called my doctor, and I got so scared, and I asked him that is it okay for me to do a mammogram, because I had read online on the internet that mammogram radiation is not strong enough to affect your baby. So I was asking him, could I do a mammogram to just check to see if anything is going on in there, and he was like, nope, I won't allow you to do a mammogram, none at all. It doesn't really matter how strong or low the radiation is. No, I'm not allowing it. But then after a few days, the pain slowly fades away, and now it's in the right one, and the right one is hurting more than usual, but not as much as the left one was hurting. So I'm feeling some really bad breast pain, and backwards to when I was pregnant with Tyler. This kind of breast pain, I remember feeling it after Tyler was born, like this intense. I don't remember having this before Tyler was born. So every pregnancy is really different, and that's true. So that's something that I really want to point out. And another symptom that I've been experiencing since 18 weeks kicked in was severe breast pain. And the only thing that I realized that helps is going in the shower and just let the hot water run on it as hot as I can bear it, and that give me ease at the moment. So that's what works for me. Another symptom that is still with me is short of breath, that I don't think is going away anytime soon. And another good news with symptom is that my appetite is slowly coming back. I remember in my last update I told you guys that I had no appetite. It's slowly coming back now, and I can eat. I'm eating better. I'm eating things that I never ate in my first trimester. Now I'm in second trimester. It's doing a lot better, so that's good. I still are not a fan of red meat. I still can't come to eat red meat. Even if I cook it or I use it to cook, I'll eat around it and just leave it. And I'm still craving my Jamaican food, of course. I'm really not having any other symptoms. I'm I'm not having any swellings as yet and none of that. So that's all the symptoms that I've been experiencing. Oh, and my headaches are gone. The constant headaches that I used to have in first trimester, I don't have those anymore. I might get a headache every now and then, but the way they used to come in first trimester, this time around up to 18 weeks, they've been less. Okay, the good thing that have been happening is that I started back working out. Yay! I started back working out. And listen, I don't know if it's because of this little girl or what, but I have so much energy. I am so strong when I work out. I feel like I can go forever. It feels so good when I work out. And if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, be sure to subscribe and go see how I work out in all the vlogs. If you don't follow me on Instagram, go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is down below in the description box, because I post a lot of pictures and a lot of clips during my workout on Instagram, so you can catch those. So I'm back working out. And disclaimer, if you're wondering, oh, you're working out and you had a miscarriage and you're not being careful, listen, I had nothing to do with my miscarriage. It had nothing to do with working out. I couldn't help it. It's nature. It was supposed to happen that way. And just for the record, my doctor cleared me to work out from the minute I got pregnant. I didn't work out because I did not want to work out. I just started back working out because I felt like it was time and I was ready to work out. So I'm back on working out. And when I say working out, I mean like I walk for 15 minutes and then I do some squats and some light stretches and exercises, and I'm good to go for the day. So workout has been going well, and that's awesome. Tyler still have his moments where he talks about his baby sister, and he still have his moments where he talks about he wants his brother. So I guess he's torn between the two. Yeah, but baby girl has been doing well, and as you guys can see in the vlogs, that I'm full of energy. I'm nothing like first trimester. Going up to my 18 weeks, I'm doing really good. So thank God for that. So yeah, basically that's just it that I have for you with my 18-week update. And I'm just gonna go ahead and show you guys how baby girl is growing. Show you guys a little belly shot of her. Let's get the belly shot. Let's get the belly shot. So that's my 18 weeks from sideways. There you go. And that's my 18 week from front ways. Baby girl is growing. There she goes. And I swear that my stomach play games on me sometimes, because sometimes my stomach look small and sometimes it just look extra big. But anyway, we are thankful for baby girl, and she's growing. And thanks again to everybody that sent us gifts so far for baby girl. We appreciate every single one of you. We love you guys. We appreciate all the blessing and all the love. So yeah, that's about it for baby girl's 18 weeks. I hope I'm not leaving out anything. We are in the process of going to get the furnitures that I want for her room and get her room started, which I'm actually in her space right now, but a lot of these things is gonna be gone and her space is gonna be created. So yeah, stay tuned for that. You have to subscribe to see baby girl room in the process of getting done and all that good stuff. It's gonna be exciting to share all those moments with you guys. Anyway, you guys, if you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe. Comment down below, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, catch and keep up. We love you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which is Monday's vlog. Bye guys.